Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto cream. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh basil, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of pine nuts. Lightly toast the pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. This simple step really enhances their flavor. Now, combine the basil, garlic, and toasted pine nuts in your food processor. With your food processor running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until the mixture starts to come together. Next, add 1/4 cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese. Blend again until the pesto is smooth and well combined. Finally, taste and season your fresh pesto with salt and black pepper to your liking. Now, let's prepare the creamy base for our sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. Gradually pour in 1 1/2 cups of whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Once your cream sauce has thickened, remove it from the heat. Gently stir in 1/2 cup of your freshly made pesto. Mix until the pesto is fully incorporated and the sauce is a beautiful light green color. Simmer the pesto cream sauce gently for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Serve immediately over your favorite pasta or vegetables. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.